everybody, and welcome to my new stuff video for the month of May. So I just had a sneak peek for me and looked what's new, and it's not that much. So last month and in March there was a lot more going on, so I think we can do this very quickly. So okay, I guess you all know by now what I'm doing here, so just in a few words I'll show you the new jigsaws that are listed at Puzzle.de. Of course this all is German and you won't understand a thing, I guess, but if you want to have it in English you can always scroll down to the end, and here you can see unsere website. And you can switch to Great Britain, so that would be in English then. But I have to show you in German because what I do is put the things on my wish list. My wish list has got like 170 puzzles on there by now, and unfortunately it won't translate. Not translate. What is it? If I click on the wish list on the English list, it won't appear on the German list, so I do it this way. I hope it's okay for you, but I'll translate everything you need to know. Just a quick note here. You have got a 12% discount of every jigsaw with the code Puzzle12, and that one is valid to the 12th. Okay, so this is the German way to write the date. I know you would say 6/12/2023, but we say 12th of the 6th month in this year. So yes. So if you want to have an extra 12%, then that would be the time. Okay, and now let's have a look at the jigsaw. So as far as I could see here, most of them are from Suns Out. And there's a new brand, which I don't know. It is called So Quetch. It's a funny name. I guess it's a French brand because they do have all these French cities. We'll talk about it in a minute. A few from Grafica and a few Bluebirds. So I think it was 92 in total. So yeah, So Quetch is a strange name, but the jigsaws are gorgeous. Look at them. So I really like the style, and it seems so that those are all like French towns or villages. I won't say this word because pretty sure I can't spell it right. We've got Nancy here, and Le Canal de la Manne Aurine. I just can't. I can't. Petit Rosé? I don't know. Yeah. You know what? If you can read French, that's awesome. I envy you. And then you will know how all these places are spelled. Yeah. We can look at one. Let me have a look. We've got Metz. Ballet-Duc. Okay, this one looks nice. We will have a look at that one. I mean, they do all look nice. Which one do you like the best? Tell me in the comments. So we've got Strasbourg. Yeah, Strasbourg is nice as well. So they are quite cool. Okay, this is Ballet-Duc. I really do like the style of those. They are so nice. So unfortunately they are on the pricier side, but I guess one day I will try one of these. I don't know about the quality or such, but I like Strasbourg, so I will choose Strasbourg. And maybe, which one? That one's nice as well. That one's nice, but oh, I like this. So we have Mulhouse. Yeah, I do like them. Yeah. Then we have Suns Out, and those are mostly 300 pieces. This one is with 500. But I think I won't get a 300 piece one because it's the same price as excuse me, as the 500 piece ones. So I'd rather take the bigger ones for the same price. But we can look at the motifs. They do look nice. Gathering for fall, winter kitties, garden fisherman, that's nice. Memories of Route 66. Grand Canyon Express, oh, I love this one. Another since I played Red Dead Redemption, I love everything that reminds me of it. So maybe, if I'm fortunate, those motifs will be with more pieces someday. Look at that. Yeah, that's the train from, well, it's not from Saint-Denis to Strawberry, but could be. So this one is nice. I'll put it on my wish list. Auf den Merkzettel. That means onto the wish list. And this one. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay, so here we have got a 500 piece. It's Christmas dinner guests. Okay. Don't feel like Christmas at the moment. Yeah, I'm tired. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Those are with 500 pieces. This one has got 1,000. What is it? Fundraiser fun. Oh, it's a car wash. Okay. Texaco. Yeah. Well. Not my style. And if we look here, we've got the Halloween ones. But unfortunately, 300 pieces as well. So this one is with 300 pieces. Why doesn't it? Oh. Batman, Superman. Oh, the S from Superman looks suspiciously wrong. Enter if you dare. Okay. Oh, look. Special treats for kids to eat. Okay, I would totally have a party with those pets. Look at them. Oh, although in real life I don't know. I don't know how to feel about people who put their pets in costumes. It's so cute, but on the other hand, I'm not sure if they want it. Okay, we have more 300 piece Suns Out. And this one is 500 piece with XXL pieces. So this one has got the size of a 1,000 piece jigsaw once assembled. That's nice. Oh, I just got a message that there are only 7 left. Okay, so we've got the olds here and more 300 piece Suns Out. Oh, that's funny, look. It is called the Unmaking of the Wreath because the cats just straight on destroy the wreath. If you've got cats, let me know. Hit the like button. I do not have cats. I think I mentioned it. I've got an allergy for cats and dogs. So I don't have them. Okay, we've got the Patriotic Meadows here. Okay, is this like a big cloth, or is it like a projection on the barn? Because, oh no, maybe it is painted on the, no, it can't be painted on the barn. So see, that's what, to be honest, that what is what puts me a little bit off, because I think, it can't be painted. And I mean, it could, no, it won't be. I don't think it's painted. I know it's a picture, I know it's not real, but sometimes I do search for the realism there. Okay, more 300 piece, nice 300 piece. But I mean, €13 is a bit much for 300 piece puzzles. Even Ravensburger is cheaper then. Sun's Out, Winter Panorama, let me have a look at that. This is Cherry Blossom Time. I do love the Sun's Out boxes. The square boxes, I like them. So more pets with 300 pieces. God bless the USA. I guess this is for the 4th of July. And no privacy, why not? Ooh, this one is nice. It's White Eagle, it's a round one. Those do look nice, but 300 pieces. Look, if I would put the filter off with 300 pieces, it wouldn't be so much left. So here we've got from Bluebird. So Sun's Out is done here. So Bluebird has got 2 villages of France. It's in the Bretagne, both of them. Oh, three of them. So that looks nice. And then we have Grafica, 1,000 pieces, and that seems to be like a series or something. It's Yakuza, Miss Satsuma, China, Japan, Victoria, and then another France Bluebird jigsaw. So that's nice as well. And then we've got Montton, Frankreich, so that's France, Miss Darling, and another Bluebird, Indian, so India, Miss Littlebird. I'm wondering if they are square shapes, so I will have a look at one. So let's say she. We'll have a look in a second. And another Bluebird, and another Bluebird. Oh, I don't think I like these. I don't think they are easy as well. So we've got another Bluebird and another one from France. And here we've got Meditation, Garden, Miss Lily, Punk. Oh yeah, she looks more punk-like Miss Sakura. And that was it for last month. So let's have a look. This is a winter panorama from Sun's Out. That looks nice. I'd love to live there. With the cardinals. Oh look, they can ice skate. And it has got one of these barn bridges. I don't know how the proper name is. So I like this one. This will go on my wish list. Pop. Okay, done that. So this one is Cherry Blossom Time. Okay, it is nice, but I do not have to have it. So no privacy. Oh, because the horse. So I was looking for a cat or something, but now there's a horse. So here's the worker, I guess, or the farmer, and he wants to shave himself. Look, all his shaving stuff is here, and his blade, and the thing where his blade goes in, and here's the kettle. but the horse is looking. So, okay, that's funny, but I do not have to have it. And here's the white eagle with a Native American. Oh, it's from 1993, I guess. I do like this picture. So, I think this will come on my wish list. And then let's have a look. Oh yes, they are square. So, they're not as usual rectangles, they are square jigsaws, and when you assemble them, they are, 63.5 times 63.5, so I don't know what that is in inches, because those are centimeter, so don't know if it, no inches here. That looks nice. It's something different. Wish list. Okay, so, and since that's it, I think I will have a look at the sale. Let me see. So what have we got? We've got 12%. I talked about that. New Suns Out jigsaws. We looked at them, and you always can do the photo puzzles. Pieces and Piece, yeah, they do have a lot of nice jigsaws, and this is the artist Brito. Okay, I will have a look at the sale very quick. So, oh jeez, we sort them. We want to have them. Okay, I only want to have like 500 pieces and 1,000. How high will I go? 1,500. Okay, 2,000 is okay. And 3,000 is okay. And 4,000. Come on, stop it. Okay, those are just two more. Okay, so we've got 10 pages, but we won't look at them all. So I sorted them. Oh, I did that one. Khao Phing Khan in Thailand is Phuket, I guess. I think I've got that one. So we've got Castelland, 500 pieces for €5. That's a very good price because Castelland is a very good quality. And oh, this one's nice. Oh, Iron Horse. Oh, I need this. That will go on my wish list. I did that one. A lot of cats here. I think I did that one, but not from Castelland. It was a different brand, and it were like 1,000 pieces. Okay, I do not like this one. Bavarian Castle. That must be Neuschwanstein. But I wasn't so satisfied by the brand Alipson, so I will do another one to see if it's a little bit better. I've got this one from Alipson. The print wasn't that nice. Oh, do you remember this abomination of a jigsaw? I'm sorry, but yeah, I remember that when they were in the new stuff thing. So that one's a Dutch idyll. Alipson. Oh yeah, there's a lot of Alipson. So Madrid. I like that panda. The Tower Bridge. I don't know how often I puzzled the Tower Bridge or the Eiffel Tower or something. I did that one recently. Festival Patisserie. All Four Seasons. Oh, the Battle of the Nile. Okay. Oh, here we've got Treffel. Oh yes, the heart of Ukraine. I did want to make that one. Meeting with friends from friends. So I did that one. And so many jigsaws. I think I bought this one last time. That one's nice. This one is very nice. Fruit and wine. Okay, so I think I will end this video now, and then I will do a quick order here, because I think I have to order something. Those are good prices, so yeah, I will do that. Oh, donuts? Did I? Maybe I did them. I know I've got this one. So as you can see, oh, I did that one. No, maybe. Oh, Marilyn Monroe, never saw that one. So as you can see, I do not know every jigsaw. I've got this one, but I'm pretty excited. Oh, cool, Fifi. Yeah. Yeah, I think I will place an order today or tomorrow. Because I saw in my order history that I tend to order after I do these videos. I tend to place an order, and you should too if you want. Treat yourself with a nice jigsaw, and if you use the link in the description below, you would surprise me. Surprise me, yes, but you would support me as well. And don't forget to put the code Puzzle12 in there, because you will get 12% off your purchase. And thank you very much for watching. If you like what you saw, you can hit the like button. That would help me out as well. And we'll see us yeah, soon, I guess. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.